Hi, I'm Kalpit. I'm a student of PG, Educational and Branding. Currently, I'm working as a freelance designer. I work under multiple projects. So my experience in Nicole was very roller coaster. I came from a very non-design background, and coming here was like a very overwhelming. And I had this doubt: ki, will I learn this thing? Will I learn the tools and software? Because while I was applying to, I was seeing other colleges, they could not give on hands-on experience on tools like Adobe and everything. And here, the people, the teachers, they teach you every tool of Adobe and illustration and everything. So that was very, very helpful. Like 2 years back, I did not know anything, and now I'm running my own agency. If I talk about advice for the younger people, I would say that believe in yourself, and I know it will be like wonderful experience. Just keep on doing. Just don't lose hope. Okay, you cannot do one assignment, so you cannot do it. Do not doubt yourself. There are other ways of finding the creativity, and that is what you have to search for it.